I want to say is that, Alhamdulillah, we're back. Alhamdulillah, Allah gave us enough strength and Allah gave us enough power to run again and to be fine again. Even though I might not be supposed to be running this far again on my first day back, I don't care, bro. I want to be here. I miss this place, I can't lie. This location here in the morning, I miss this place so much. I don't think you understand the sweat running down my... Bruh, I'm on a different level, guys. You don't understand. I look forward to this every single day. Doing this to myself every single day. Bettering myself every single day. Showing up for myself and myself only every single day. Bro, literally. You know it's my competition, myself. Literally. That's how I view it. No one else is my competitor. Except for myself. Trying to beat the person that I was yesterday. Trying to beat that person every single day. The person I was yesterday, I'm going to do more today. I'm going to beat that person yesterday. I'm going to go further today. I'm going to go harder today. And that's basically what it is, bro. It's about beating that version of yourself that was yesterday. Being better every single day. Trying to improve every single day. Trying to go further and harder every single day. That's what it's all about, bro. But, yeah. Doing this for yourself and only for yourself, no one else. Literally, improve for yourself and for no one else. I'll tell you this all the time. Because that's the best way to grow. Not for likes, not for entertainment, not for attention, not for nothing. Just for yourself, bro. Don't worry about anything else. Just focus on yourself and get to the goals and dreams that you want to get to. But we are gonna run back home now. I can't wait. Yo, bruh. Fuck. Yes. I miss this place. Fuck. Sharp.